We will now start off with downloading, installing, and setting up Eclipse for Windows 10. This slide shows the official download and installation URL for Eclipse. These are the basic steps for setting up our Eclipse IDE. First, we will download the Eclipse installer. Then we'll execute it. We will select the package version of Eclipse we want to install and then select our installation folder. And then after it's been installed, we will launch Eclipse and confirm that Eclipse has been set up with OpenJDK 11. And finally, we will also confirm that Eclipse has been set up with JEE 8. So here we are on the Eclipse download page, and we are going to select the Eclipse installer. We select a Windows 64 version, download, and here we see it's busy downloading. Now it's finished downloading. Click Show in Folder, and we'll right-click and run as administrator. And we'll select the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. And we will select this shortcut. So it's going to download Java 17. And it's finished downloading. So we'll launch Eclipse IDE 2020-09. Now we will change our workspace and create a new one. Click Launch. Review IDE configuration settings. And exit. Finish. And now we are going to make sure that we have the right version of Java. Window Preferences. And we're going to go to Install JREs and Add. And we will select JDK 11. Finish. And we select it here. Apply, apply and close. And now we are ready to start development. And that concludes this tutorial. I will see you in the next video.